In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set voice over audio ducking to off when speaking or always on an iPhone. So first go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on accessibility. This is where you can customize features to make your iPhone easier to use, including voiceover for visually impaired users. Next, tap on voiceover. This section controls all the settings for how your iPhone reads content aloud, including speech rate, verbosity, and audio behavior. From there, tap on audio and you'll see a section called audio ducking. This feature adjusts the volume of other audio when voiceover is speaking, which can be useful if you want to hear voiceover clearly over music, podcasts, or other sounds. Here you can select off when speaking or always. Choosing off keeps all other sounds at their normal volume, so voiceover doesn't lower them at all. When speaking will temporarily lower other audio only while voiceover is reading text aloud, and always will keep other audio lowered anytime voiceover is active. Selecting the right setting depends on your preference and how much you want to prioritize hearing voiceover over other audio. It's a quick way to make sure you don't miss important information while still enjoying your media. Once you've made your choice, you can simply exit settings and the change will take effect immediately without needing a restart. And that's it. Open settings, go to accessibility, tap voiceover, then audio, and select your preferred audio ducking option. So that's how you set voice over audio ducking on your iPhone to off when speaking or always.